Hello, everybody. I'm Tamar from Capital Markets Elite Group UK, and today I want to take a look at a couple of higher time frame trading setup that I'm currently stocking. And I want to start with a chart of Salesforce with the ticker CRM. Now, this is the monthly chart, and as we can see, the monthly is in an uptrend. We've got clear series of higher highs and higher lows. We've got the moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning all in the correct order for an uptrend and very nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. But what we also got is overextension, meaning there is quite a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. So I am looking for a bit of a pullback, a bit of a release of this very strong buying pressure. Quick look at the weekly, and we can see it's the same story. We are very overextended. So I'm looking for a pullback, and I'm looking at areas that the market could pull back into. So quick look at the daily, and I'm looking at two areas. So the first area that I'm looking at, and it's a bit more of a shallow pullback, is this blue line around the 236 area. This is the previous swing high on the monthly chart. This is a bit more of a shallow pullback. The other area is around the 225, a market with a purple line. Now this is a bit more of a deeper pullback, but what it would also do is close this gap that we had here. So it might look like a deeper pullback in the context of the daily, but it could bring us back into the averages in the context of the higher time frame. Now, the next market that I want to look at, and with a completely different industry, so moving on to the residential home construction, is Pollard Group with the ticker PHM. And here too, starting with the monthly chart, we can see a very strong uptrend, clear series of higher highs and higher lows. Moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and beautiful convergence here on the momentum indicators to the upside. Here the same, we also have overextension, so a big distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages, and I'm looking for a pullback. And once again, I'm looking at two areas, a bit of a more shallow pullback and a deeper pullback. So I want to jump straight into the daily chart. So the shallow area for the pullback, I'm looking at this consolidation area in and around the 89 to the 90 level. So we can see we consolidated for a couple of days before the latest pop. The next level, and my preferred level, sits around here, around the 84 level. This is also the breakout level, and even when the market will pull back into that area, it will also close this gap. So we had here a touch and a fall, another touch, and we went to a lower low, came back up, touched it again, couldn't push any lower, and broke above and continued. So once again, this may be a bit of a deeper pullback in the context of the daily, but it would also bring us closer to the averages in the context of the higher time frame. So two similar potential setup that I'm currently stocking onto quite different industries. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.